Hi, it's Susan, your teacher here at Booked Up English. I'm so happy to see you. Today we will learn a red word. Remember, red words are special because we stop to think about them. Practice all the red words using the link below. We will do 4 things to learn red words. Listen, say, spell, write. You will need a notebook and a pencil. Make flashcards to practice. Use a red marker or pencil to help your brain learn these words. Are you ready? Let's go. Today's special word is was. 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 W-A-S. Was. W-A-S. Was. Let's write it. W A S was. W A S was. Great job. See you soon.